Hello students, I myself Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School Nawada and welcome to your e-learning classes. Today in this third video, I am going to discuss you the second lesson globe, latitude and longitude of class 6. And in this chapter, we will know about a particular reference parallel of latitudes. But before discussing, I would like to tell you, do you know our earth has two types of circles. First type of circles pass through west to east parallel to the equator. So these are called horizontals or latitudes. And second type of circles that pass from north pole to south pole vertical. So these circles are called longitudes or meridian. Now we come to the biggest parallel of latitude. Which is the biggest parallel of latitude on the earth? Yes, you will surely say equator. Equator is the biggest parallel of latitude which passes through west to east at 0 degree latitude, and it divides our earth into two equal halves. In north pole, from equator to the north pole, this half equal part is called, or this half part of the earth is called northern hemisphere. Like this, in southern part from equator to the north pole, it is called southern hemisphere. So equator divides the earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now we come to the total measurement of our earth. Do you know what is the total measurement of our earth? When we measure the total area of our earth in degree, we find 360 degree. Like this, when we divide it into two equal halves, we find 180 degree in northern hemisphere and 180 degree like this southern hemisphere. Now we come to find out the distance of equator, the distance between equator and northern pole. When we take 1/4 part of 360 degree, we find the distance from equator to north pole is 90 degree. Why? When we divide 1/4 part, it means 1/4 part with 360 degree, we find 90 degree. And every parallel of latitudes that pass equal to the equator, parallel to the equator, takes an angular distance. Like this, in southern hemisphere, the distance between equator and south pole is measured as 90 degree. Thus we can say the value of northern pole, it means north pole, is 90 degree, and in south pole, it means in other south pole, the value is 90 degree. It means both of poles value are equal, 90 degree. Now we come to the parallel of latitudes. I have already discussed that parallel of latitudes are those circles that pass through west to east parallel to the equator. So these are called parallel of latitudes. These latitudinal lines in southern hemisphere are called southern latitude, and in northern hemisphere these equal parallels of latitudes are called northern latitudes. When we go up to the pole from the equator, these parallels of latitudes are decreased. So either of the pole, the measurement of latitudinal lines are always decreased. In North Pole also and in South Pole, it means in northern hemisphere also and in southern hemisphere also. Now we come to the important parallel of latitudes. There are four important parallels of latitude. First is called Tropic of Cancer, second is called Tropic of Capricorn, and third is called Arctic Circle, and fourth is called Antarctic Circle. Now we come to in northern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere at 23.5 degree latitudes we find Tropic of Cancer, and when we go up to the pole we find Arctic Circle. Where at 66.5 degree. At 66.5 degree we find Arctic Circle. So the value of Arctic Circle is 66.5 degree and the value of Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. Like this, in southern hemisphere, when we go down to the southern pole, we find first of all Tropic of Capricorn. Equal distance. At equal distance, it means 23.5 degree south, we can find Tropic of Cancer, and 66.5 degree, it means at 66.5 degree, we find Antarctic Circle. And both of the area of polar point are called frigid zones. Now we come to the middle part. It means between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This area is called torrid zone because this area always receives high sun light during midday. So this area receives very hot weather and this is called torrid zone. In our next video, I will discuss you about torrid zone, temperate zone. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Be careful and study carefully your online classes. Okay, well done.